Hey people, how's it going? Today I've joined you with a very basic yet important video to help you understand what passive income actually is. Let's jump right into it. What is passive income? If you are a beginner and trying to get a hold of passive income, the first question in your head might be about what it actually is. So, passive income is a form of income that doesn't require active work from the individual receiving the income. This can come in a variety of forms, such as rental income, royalties, and dividends. Many people use passive income as a way to increase their wealth and achieve financial independence. What are the benefits of passive income? Yet another frequently asked question: there are many benefits of earning passive income. One of the biggest advantages is that you can continue to make money even when you're not working. This is because passive income comes from assets or investments that generate revenue without your active involvement. For example, if you own a rental property, you can earn passive income from rent payments even when you're on vacation. Another advantage of passive income is that it can help you build wealth over time. Passive income streams can provide consistent earnings, which can then be reinvested into new assets and create even more passive income. This cycle of compounding interest can help you grow your wealth exponentially over time. Finally, passive income can give you more financial freedom and flexibility. Since you're not relying on a single source of income, you're less likely to experience a financial crisis if one of your sources dries up. How do you create passive income? There are many ways to create passive income, but some of the most popular methods include real estate investing, stock market investing, and business ownership. Passive income is money that you earn without having to work for it. It comes from investments or businesses that you own and operate without having to be actively involved in them day to day. One of the best ways to create passive income is through real estate investing. You can buy a property and rent it out to tenants, or you can purchase a property with the intention of renovating it and flipping it for a profit. Real estate is a great investment because it has historically been a stable asset class that has appreciated in value over time. When looking for real estate investments, it is important to look for properties that have a positive cash flow. This means the property is generating more income than it costs to own and operate. Properties that have a positive cash flow are more likely to appreciate in value over time. Another way to create passive income is through stock market investing. Dividend-paying stocks are stocks that offer a periodic payout to shareholders. The payout can be monthly, quarterly, or yearly. The payout is usually a percentage of the company's earnings. Now you may ask, what are the types of passive income? There are many different types of passive income, but some of the most common ones include rental income, interest income, and dividend income. Rental income is earned by renting out a property, such as a house or an apartment. Interest income is earned through lending money to others. Dividend income is earned by owning stocks in a company that pays dividends. Each type of passive income has its own benefits and drawbacks. Rental income can be very steady and predictable, but it can also be difficult to manage properties. Interest income can be variable, depending on how well the borrower repays the loan, but it can also be relatively low risk. Dividend income can be variable as well, but it typically has a higher return than interest income. Ultimately, which type of passive income is right for you depends on your personal preferences and financial situation. Hold up, my friends, go watch my video on 5 ways to generate passive income for a detailed video to provide you with some startup ideas. The link will be in the description box down below. For now, let's see a glimpse of what it really means. A few ways to start generating passive income are: invest in stocks or mutual funds. When you invest in stocks or mutual funds, you're essentially buying into a company or fund that will generate profits over time. You can then collect those profits as passive income. Start a blog or website. If you create a blog or website and add high-quality content, you can eventually earn money from advertising or by selling products and services on your site. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular subject, why not create an online course? Now the question arises: how can you protect your passive income? Passive income is a great way to make money while you sleep, but it's important to protect your assets. Here are a few ways to safeguard your income. 1. Invest in a solid business. This will provide stability and growth potential for your passive income stream. 2. Diversify your investments. Spread your money around so that if one investment fails, you won't lose everything. 3. Keep track of your finances. Make sure you know how much money you're making and spending so that you can stay on top of your finances. 4. Stay organized. Have a system in place for tracking your income and expenses so that you always know where you stand financially. 5. Protect your assets. The most important way is to make sure you have a written agreement with the person or company receiving the payments. This agreement should state how much money will be paid, when it will be paid, and what happens if one of the parties fails to uphold their end of the deal. You should also make sure you have a clear understanding of how the money will be taxed. If you're not sure, talk to an accountant or tax specialist. Finally, keep good records of all payments and transactions related to your passive income. This will help you stay organized and ensure that everything is above board. I would wrap up this video with a little piece of advice from my side. When it comes to online content, businesses and individuals are always looking for ways to monetize their efforts if you are thinking about making passive income through online means. One way to do this is by finding sponsors for your website, videos, or podcasts. Sponsors can provide money or other business opportunities in exchange for having their name or product featured on your content. There are a few things to consider before seeking out sponsors. First, make sure that your content is high quality and provides value to your audience. Second, be clear about what the sponsor will get in return for their investment. Finally, make sure that you are organized and able to keep track of all the details involved in a sponsorship deal. Sponsorship can be a great way to bring in extra money or business opportunities. Here, I hope this video was a good introduction of passive income to you people. Stay tuned for more informative videos about easy earnings and online businesses. Until next time. Bye.